Hey there, Seal here. Today I will show you how you can create your own dice set for PUM Companion. If you have the add-on 3D dice, they come with pre-installed 3D dice themes, for instance black runes. And it's not quite easy to create your own dice set, but I will try to explain you a little bit how you can do it on your own. You need a template file, which you can download from Unfolding Machines by Jensen Faas. Document page for PUM Companion. Then you need an image manipulator like GIMP or Krita. They are for free. Also for the JSON file Notepad++ or something like that. Okay, first download this file and we go to the next step. After you download this template file, we unpack it here. There you find a JSON file and a folder with texture images, some icons, and some numbers and UV maps. Okay, I prepared Weather D12 texture here at an icon, and let's create a D6 disaster dice. Yeah. So we start GIMP. And use this D6 texture as template and add our icons. Okay, and I think it's better to add UV map or D6. Okay. We are repositioning them, icons. Wildfire, earthquake, lizard. Okay. Don't need this UV map, this is just for the right position. And a nice background. Color of your choice. And export PNG to, yeah, one moment. Yeah, I found it, and export to this location, for instance, D6 disasters PNG. Okay. Here we go. Okay, let's copy texture and icon to template folder. And also for the weather, D12 I prepared here. So delete the other, we don't need them. And the new icons, cut out and insert them to the icon folder and delete old ones. So we have an icon 46, an icon for D12. And in the main folder, texture for D6 dice, disasters, and D12 dice for the weather. But I think they are different colors. Let me correct this. Now let's create normal maps for this textures. Go to this page and select this your textures. You can select both, but wait. It's hard here to explain, but can reduce the strength of the normal map. We don't need specular here. So this okay. And I think it's okay, strength 0.44, it's okay. Okay. Open and should automatically download. After download, move your null maps to the same folder where you where the dice textures are, and then we need Notepad++. Okay. One step back, we find the JSON file, but we should rename it. We should rename the file to weather. Also the folder for textures. Okay. And we don't need the UV maps anymore, and numbers also. Just both icons and these textures. Okay. Let's open the weather JSON. Okay. We rename it to weather, and we only need the parts of D6 and the part of D12. On this template you can delete the others. We don't need D4. No D8. No D20. No D100. Wait. Really important here. For every space, word and number. Okay, D12. D10 can also delete. Right, D6 and D12. Now we start. This is also important. Numbers from 1 to 7 are reserved for standard dice. Position should here start with 8 and all the next dices 9, 10 and so on. Okay. Now this icon path but new icon path is here and icon file name 46 is yeah, but we can replace folder name from template black to weather. Place all. Okay. 14. And icon for the weather D6 and icon for D12. Need exactly the name. And the subfolder. Forget it here at this D6. This is very important. Main folder weather and subfolder icons. And where the file is and named. So now the normal map, the main texture. I can close this once. Main texture. Okay, main texture is located here for the 6. Yep. Wait. Yeah. All 3 positions of map mapping. We use for all sizes the same file. And normal map. Normal. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All 3 map. Yeah. And now to D12. Main texture. Go here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And normal map for the depth. One, 2, and 3. Okay, and save. Let's check that we have nothing get. Okay, let's add a label name to the weather dice. 6 roll is, let me check. 6 is, here we go. Earthquake. We can copy paste. And just change the label name. Wait. 2 is hurricane. One is volcano. Five. Tsunami. is a wildfire. And last one. Blizzard 4, yeah. Okay, save. And I added labels to also to the 12 here. Okay, now we can create a zip file and import to PUM Companion. Okay, time to import. Oh damn, I've already started PUM Companion. Wait, here. Okay. Settings, 3D dice, and import custom dice. Choose a weather zip. Successfully imported. And switch on. We have here two new icons, D6 and D12. Let's roll. 3. Disaster dice. Okay. Okay, no wildlife tsunami. And 2 weather dice. Windy and showers. Okay, that works fine. In the JSON you can change this outputs here if you change it to display name. Here we have weather, and here we have disasters. Okay, then you should create a new zip file, delete the old ones and re-import, and then you have the right names in the log output on this position here. That's all. See you.